Base 16. Hexadecimal base 16 is a numbering system that uses 16 symbols instead of the more familiar 10 symbols in base 10. Base 16. Bidirectional. Functioning in two directions. Bidirectional. Bind. In computer programming, to bind is to create a connection between two or more programming objects for a specified amount of time. Bind. Block expression. A block expression is a way to group expressions as a single expression or to nest a code block. Block expressions behave in a way similar to code blocks. Block expression. Body. A block with its own scope that defines the sub-expressions of a language element, such as a function body or a loop body. For example, a function body contains expressions that define what the function does, and any variables declared in the function are local to that function body. Body. Boolean. See Boolean logic, a system of logic where the value expressed is either true or false, and which is often used to determine flow control in programming languages. This is named after George Boole, a mathematician who was a key contributor to the fields of logic and algebra. Boolean. Boolean logic. Boolean logic. Bound. A variable that has had a bind performed on it. All verse variables are bound immediately after they are defined. They cannot be in an unbound state. Bound. Braces. See brackets. Brackets are used in verse to specify different kinds of information in the code. Verse uses 4 sets of brackets. Braces. Brackets. Brackets. Branch expression. A branch expression starts a block of one or more sync sub-expressions. Any expression that follows is executed immediately. For more information, see concurrency. Branch expression. Break. An expression that breaks out of the current loop and executes the next expression after the loop expression. For more info, see loop and break. Break. Bug. A bug is an error in a computer program that causes it to produce an incorrect or unexpected result. Bugs occur during runtime as opposed to compiler errors, which occur during verse compile time. The process of identifying and removing bugs is called debugging. Bug. Build. To compile verse code into instructions that a computer can execute. Build. Built-in. In some programming languages, something that is built-in is something you can use directly within the language and its standard libraries. Built-in. Built-in type. A built-in type cannot be broken down further, unlike a composite type. Built-in type.